Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful feature inside the Telegram app on PC. If you've ever wanted a faster way to share files directly with Telegram without having to open the app every time, this update makes it possible. By enabling Telegram in the Windows Send to menu, you'll be able to right-click a file and instantly send it through Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the very top left-hand corner of the window. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Click on that to open the main menu. From here, head into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Advanced. This section holds all the more detailed features and customization tools that Telegram offers on desktop. Now, within Advanced Settings, you'll notice a category called System Integration. This is where Telegram gives you options to connect more smoothly with your operating system. Look carefully, and you'll see a checkbox that says, Place Telegram in Send to menu. Go ahead and check that box. The moment you do this, Telegram integrates with Windows and you're ready to use the new shortcut. To try it out, simply right-click on any file on your computer. This can be a photo, document, video, or anything else. Hover over the Send to options, and you'll notice that Telegram now appears as one of the choices. Selecting it will immediately open Telegram and prepare the file to be shared with your contacts. This feature may seem small, but it saves a lot of time if you frequently share files with friends, coworkers, or groups on Telegram. Instead of navigating back into the app, attaching files, and browsing through folders, you can do all of that with just a couple of clicks directly from your desktop. That's all you need to do to place Telegram into your PC's Send to menu. A few quick steps, and you have an easier, faster way to send files right where you need them. Give it a try and make your Telegram experience even more convenient.